Hello everyone, my name is Claudia SITUMORANG. I want to explain the material about creating and managing organizational culture. Okay, uh, creating and managing organizational culture is a critical aspect of any organization success as it influences how employees behave, interact, and perform their job. In this video, we'll explore the organizational culture is why it's important and how to create and manage a strong culture within your organization. We'll also discuss the key element of a strong organizational culture, common challenges in managing culture, and best practices for sustaining a positive culture. Okay, what is organizational culture? Uh, Organizational culture refers to shared value, norms, beliefs, and practice them that exist within an organization in the personality of an organization, and it influences how employees interact with each other, with customers, and with stakeholders. Culture Culture is often described the way we do things around in their unwritten rules and unspoken expectations and the underlying assumption that guides behavior and decision making within the organization. Culture is shaped by organization history, leadership, and value. It is reflected in the way employees behave, communicate, and interact with each other. Why is organizational culture important? A strong organizational culture can have a significant impact on the organization success. It can improve employee engagement, retention, and productivity, as well as enhance our customer satisfaction and loyalty. A positive culture can also attract top talent, drive innovation, and support the organization's mission and vision. In fact, research has shown that companies with strong culture tend to outperform their peers in terms of revenue growth, profitability, and employee satisfaction. A strong culture can also help an organization negative change and uncertainty and provide a sense of stability and continuity for employee. Creating a strong organizational culture. So, how do how do you create a strong organizational culture? Here are some key steps. 1. Define your value. Identify the core values that are most important to your organization and ensure they align with your mission and vision. These values should be authentic, meaningful, and actionable, and they should guide decision making and behavior throughout the organization. 2. Lead by example. Leaders and managers must model the behavior and value they expect for employee. Expect from employee. They include demonstrating and commitment to the organization value, communicating effectively, and leading with integrity and transparency. 3. Communicate effectively. Communicate your culture and value to all employee and ensure everyone understand how they can contribute to organization success. This includes using multiple channels and formats such as town halls, newsletters, and training programs. 4. Hire for fit. Hire employees who share your organization value and culture. This includes using behavioral interview finding techniques, assessing culture fit, and ensuring that new hires understand the organization culture and value. 5. Recognize and reward. Recognize and reward employees who embody your organization value and culture. This includes using formal recognition programs, providing feedback, and coaching and celebrating success and milestones. Okay. Key elements of a strong organizational culture. A strong organizational culture typically include the following elements: a clear vision and mission. 1. A clear understanding of the organization purpose and direction. This includes a compelling vision, a clear mission, and a set of the strategic goals and objectives. 2. Strong leadership. Leaders who model the behavior and value they expect from employees. This includes demonstrating and commitment to the organization value, communicating effectively, communicating and leading with integrity and transparency. 3. Effective communication. Open, transparent, and regular communication throughout the organization. This includes using multiple channels and formats such as town halls, newsletters, and training programs. 4. Collaboration and teamwork. Encouragement of collaboration and teamwork to achieve common goals. This includes using cross-functional teams, promoting knowledge sharing, and recognizing and rewarding team achievements. 5. Innovation and risk-taking. Encouragement of innovation and risk-taking to drive growth and improvement. This includes providing resources and support for innovation, recognizing and rewarding innovative ideas, and creating a safe and supportive environment for experimentation and learning. Managing organizational culture. Once you've created a strong culture, is essential to manage effectively. Here some key steps. Okay. Step 1. Monitor, assess. Regularly assess your culture, identify areas for improvement. This includes using surveys, focus group, and other feedback mechanisms to understand employee perception and experience. 2. Address cultural issue. Address cultural issue or conflicts promptly and take corrective action. This includes using a fair and transparent process, communicating effectively, and providing support and resource for employees affected by the issues. 3. Develop a change management plan. Develop a plan to manage change and ensure it aligns with your culture. This includes communicating effectively, providing training and support, and recognizing and rewarding employees who are leading change effort. 5. Provide training and development. Provide ongoing training and development opportunity to support your culture. This includes using a variety of formats and channels, such as classroom training, online training, and coaching and mentoring. 5. Celebrate success. Celebrate success and recognize employees who embody your culture. This includes using formal recognition programs, providing feedback and coaching, and celebrating milestone and achievement. Common challenge in managing an organizational culture. Managing an organizational culture can be challenging, and there are several common pitfalls to avoid. 1. Resistance to change. Employees may resist change to the culture, especially if they are comfortable with the status quo. That includes communicating effectively, providing training and support, and recognizing and rewarding employees who are leading change efforts. Okay, the conclusion for this material: creating and managing organizational culture is an ongoing process that requires effort, commitment, and dedication. By following this step, you can create a strong culture that supports your organization mission, vision, and value. Remember, culture is not just about words, it's about action. It's about living your value every day and creating an environment where employees can thrive. Celebrate success and recognize employees who embody the culture, and use this opportunity to reinforce organization value and mission. Thank you.